is what I call my Yankee gun.
You ready for this? Well, guys, people are gearing up. We better move.
I don't think there's a rebel within 100 miles of here.
Not seeing where the talkie drives.
I'm getting tired of going through all these bushes through here.
They probably should have it by now.
Yeah.
Coffee on.
Well, I could sure use some good coffee.
Now, well, I'm dead.
I'm dying if they're... Yeah. They're a pretty scarce bunch.
Oh, I hear you. Don't move it. All right, baby, please back. Hold it right there. I said drop it, Red. Okay, come on, back away from it. This way. Come on. Take it back to the tail. Let's see what Lieutenant Sony has to say about this. Come on. Over to left here. Lieutenant, sir.
Yeah. Let's just take a look and see. That you did. That you did. Bring him on inside. Take your head off. Aren't you Rebs taught anything? You're in the presence of an officer. Where exactly did you catch this fella?
Down, sir. He shot my pard.
Gifford? He was a good man, he really was. I hate to hear that. We'll have to send someone out to get his body. Was you on picket duty or what?
Picket duty, sir.
The sergeant will take care of it. I hate to hear that, I really do. He's a good man. Extremely good man. That's one more letter I'll be writing home. You're an awful young man to be in the Army. How old are you, son?
15.
Hard to believe. What unit are you with? What outfit? It won't hurt to tell me what outfit you're with. Did they tell you to be quiet or something? We know exactly where most of them are anyway. It's very simple. We know what Pat Price wants to do. He'd like to take over Pilot Knob, take over this fort, and simply run us out. And we're not going to let that happen. The war's over for you, son. As far as you're concerned, it's over. And it's probably going to be over for all of us very shortly. The South is going to lose. Pat Price is going to lose. He's not going to take back Missouri. So we're just going to send you on, detain you for a while. I hate to see boys like you out killing people. I really do. There's no use in that. and have him come and take you away and put you in a safe place for a while. Private,
Yes, sir.
take this man down to the sergeant and have him put away for a while.
Yes,
He'll know
sir.
what to do with him.
Huzzah! 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 Huzzah!